Oh, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I'm back. Been busy last month, working all that stuff. Got new videos coming for y'all. So right now, you're probably wondering what I'm doing. I'm about to upgrade this with some 3D prints that I've made. Let's get to it.
Okay, so first things first, we're just gonna take off the original hopper. As you can see, all of the unground coffee beans have gathered here. So grab your Dyson and suck it up. In my case, I didn't have one, so I just left it. This is what I'll be upgrading first, is the steam knob. There's gonna be 2 screws on the bottom of the machine, one on the side next to the steam wand, and the other is inside where the tamper sits. And then you're gonna want to remove the 3 screws on the back behind the water reservoir. From what I've seen, the Barista Express has 5 or 7, I don't know. I have the Pro, so I only have to worry about 3. And now you'll want to carefully, and I mean this carefully, peel up the top. I accidentally cracked one of the clips, so I had to super glue it later. This part was a little bit nerve-wracking just because I wasn't sure how firm and hard I was supposed to push on this clip. But if you push it in a diagonal direction, then eventually it'll pop out. As you can see, I'm still struggling with this. So hopefully you'll learn from watching this video to not do what I'm doing. I eventually got it though. And with that, it should just come right out. This is just a plastic clip that attaches to the knob. You want to unscrew those screws and then attach it to your steam knob. Since mine's a 3D printed piece, it didn't come with one, so I just reused the screws again. Fits like a glove. When you put it back together, you should hear a clicking sound. If you do, you probably did it right, or you just broke something. Just kidding. Hopefully you did it right. And just like that, you have a brand new steam knob. Look at that thing work, baby. Now just reassemble everything in the reverse order. So moving on to the next upgrade, this is a single dose hopper. I originally found this from watching other YouTubers get this upgrade from the company that actually makes this, but it costs quite a bit for a 3D printed part, so I just found it online. Luckily, somebody else out there made it and made the file available. Shoutouts to that person. There are some assembly required, like a couple screws and some glue here and there. Ask me how I know. There's another section to this. It's supposed to be like a bellow at the top so that you can get all of the fine grounds out. It still works like this. I was just too lazy to figure out how to 3D print TPU, so I'll hold off on that for now. This is another upgrade or 3D print that I did. It's a exact replica of the OCD tamper and distributor tool. It doesn't work that well, but it gets the job done. Another must to get is a dosing cup. I wasn't about to spend like $60 on some dosing cup that I can just 3D print. Save money where you can. Enough chit chat. Let's make some coffee. Ooh yeah, look at that crema, it's so smooth. Yes, I do need to work on my steaming skills. I'm working on it. I'm also using oat milk because your boy is lactose intolerant. Yes, the ever elusive whirlpool. Not quite a whirlpool, but you get the point. Ooh, look at that. It's turning out to be a nice looking heart. Yeah, finish strong. Oh, alright. I guess we're gonna go back in for more. Nope. Now it just looks like an apple. Or a butt. Pooping.
That's good. Alright, there you have it. Those are the upgrades I did with 3D prints only, and they cost me nothing. So, if you have access to a 3D printer, I will link those files in the description, and some of them are, well, two of them, mainly the Steam 1 knob and the single dose hopper. Those were not files I created, I just found them. So I will link those into the description. And yeah, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos right here. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.